Hi, so in this video I'm going to build the emitter, the common emitter stage with the emitter follower and without the emitter follower to see how the emitter follower can help us build a proper amplifier that would work with a speaker. So first I am going to put in my transistor. Then I'll choose the R, and the speaker, the microphone. There should be a capacitor to separate the DC signal from the AC signal, or prevent the DC signal from going back into that. Okay, so I have my wire. And I'm going to use VCC of 5 volts and the ground. Okay, so let me call this 1K. Then the microphone signal then we have, so I'm going to run this. Of course it's not properly biased. Capacitor, then micro. So running this, okay, so this should have been 10 milli. I run that. Okay, so the microphone is not, the transistor is not properly biased. So from the videos we watch, we want to use the simple self-biasing technique. And we are putting 20K here. Why 20K has been explained in other videos on the channel. You can check it out. Okay, so we confirm that the voltage at this node is greater than that. So let's run the first stage and be sure it works before you proceed. Okay, we have some gain, but there are some clips which will create some distortion. So what I want to do is just to reduce this and see if it helps. Still some clips, so I'll just increase my power up to 1K and give us some 12 volts, which is very common. Okay, just okay, we still have clips. Okay, and then probably I didn't run after the 12 volts, so I might as well get in this. All right. Okay, so I'm not able to troubleshoot, so I'm just going to change my biasing technique, and I'm certain that is going to work. We've already done the calculation in a previous video, so I'm not very sure, I can't recall, but I'll try, and I'll put an emitter resistor to help me out with my biasing. I have to clean this up and make sure there's a node connection between them. Okay, so let me ground this and move. Okay. This is called the microphone. All right. So here we have, I remember the previous video, the calculation gave us 33,560, and this one we had 5,460. Not sure, so I'm going to run this to see if it works out well. And my clips are even worse. So what could be the reason? I'll inspect the current here. Okay, so reducing this voltage should work. What is happening? So something is not right here. I'm getting enough gain, so huge, but okay. So to save me from all this trouble, let me just put the emitter degeneration. Maybe if you are able to find out why it's not working, you can put it in the comment. But troubleshooting, and I'm not in the mood to do the troubleshooting right now. Let me just put 100 ohms here. Hopefully it does a self-correction for me. So the emitter degenerator, you see the advantage, it can correct the circuit for you. Okay, so I'll keep it short and do another one. Bye.